Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to be going through some new features of the EMDB website which have been added since our tutorial videos in 2021. To begin with, I'm going to show you some new features on some of our graphs, and to do this I'm going to go to EMDB Statistics. This page can be used to view graphs that represent the whole archive. An example of one of these would be resolution shells per year. This graph is a relatively recent addition, and it shows us the resolution of entries released per year as a proportion of all the entries released in that year. So for example here in 2022 we can see that whilst 3 to 4 angstroms is the most common resolution, sub 3 angstroms is increasing year on year. All of the graphs on our website have a number of buttons along the top. For example here we can show or hide all curves, which can be useful for graphs which have a large quantity of curves. This button allows us to change how the graph is presented, so here if I click linear, this returns a graph that shows us exactly how many entries were released per year in each resolution shell. For the time being, I'm going to return to percentage. The next button allows us to choose between line or stacked, so I can return to the old method of displaying this data, which was line graph, and we can see that sub 3 angstroms is increasing year on year, where 3 to 4 angstroms is ahead, although plateauing. The next buttons allow us to print or download the data. I can download this graph in a variety of formats, or even download the CSV or XLS file. This final button here will take me full screen. As I scroll further down the page, we're able to view all of the numbers that are used to create this graph in the table here. We can also download the XLS or CSV file using these green buttons here. I've now returned to the EMDB homepage and I'm going to show you what's changed with our search. Behind the scenes, we've had a project that adds added annotations to all the entries in the EMDB archive. These added annotations come from 20 resources such as AlphaFold DB, Interpro, and Gene Ontology. These added annotations have been integrated into the search. This means that, for example, if I wanted to know about entries which have an entity with the added annotation membrane under Gene Ontology, I could just type membrane into this search bar here, and it would give me a number of autocomplete options, one of which would be Gene Ontology membrane. Here I'm just going to click membrane and this will return all the results. Another new search feature is the ability to search via ORCID. For this example I'm just going to paste my ORCID ID in here and search, and this returns 9 entries here. From this search page, we can go to an entry to see how the added annotations appear in the search page. The first thing you'll notice here is underneath the publication, if there is an associated ORCID ID, I can mouse over to see it, or click on it to take me to this user's ORCID page. To see the added annotations, we need to go to the sample page. Once on the sample page, as we scroll down, we can view the added annotations entity by entity. So here, the fab fragment has some complex portal annotations added. As we continue to scroll down the page, we see that hemagglutinin has links to PDB-EKB and UniProt-KB, as well as Interpro. And we go right to the bottom of the page and we go to this fab fragment, we'll also see a link to the AlphaFold DB. Where annotations have been added, they will always be available on this sample tab of an entry page. The last thing to mention is our quick links. You can click this button here to email our help desk, or you can travel to our Twitter or YouTube channel using these buttons here. This has been a quick update of the EMDB website. Thank you for watching.